Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments or chats on YouTube live stream. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube app on your phone. Then here, tap the plus icon. Then choose Go Live. Next, if you're on mobile, tap the pencil icon at the bottom right to edit your stream details. If you're on desktop, click Edit button at the top right and both lead to the same settings. And here, scroll down and tap Advanced Settings. You'll see the option Allow Live Chat. Simply toggle it off. And once turned off, viewers can still watch your live stream, but they won't be able to send messages in your chat. When you're ready, tap next and go live. And that's it. You've successfully disabled live chat for YouTube stream. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.